You want me to get you a beer? Oh!
How's it going, YouTube? 7:30 a.m. Hungover as shit. Went to a wedding last night. Not fucking feeling it. And I come outside. This motherfucker's here.
Oh, fuck, it hurts so bad. Ow, ow, ow. I think I'm gonna throw up again. You want me to get you a beer?
Yeah. Struggling. Got drunk last night. Didn't think we were gonna ride today. This might help. Cheers. Third time I puked this morning. We're still out here.
Where the fuck is Faye at? Faye should be coming from over there somewhere. Faye said nope, no Advil, but he's got an IPA for you. What do you got to say to him?
Fuck you.
He's not going to hear that response until he watches this video. But some of these squids don't even watch our videos.
For sure don't fucking edit.
Take the load off your boy. Look, he's walking like a hunchback. Fucking carrying the squids over there. Let's pound these beers.
Oh, fuck. Probably gonna puke. Can't do it.
He didn't like that sight.
Fuck.
Look at it. I ran into the bush.
What's up, motherfuckers? We're out here, we're hungover as fuck. We're just trying to get some footage, trying to do something a little different for you guys, get some fucking tripod clips. So I'm gonna take you guys to a little rock ride and let's fucking do it.
Whatever this little tripod is, I'll look up a link and I'll put it in the description so you guys can check it out if you want it. feeling this is where he wanted to stop for beer. Looks like a beer spot to me.
So we're south, buddy. Once you come in, just start going south. We're like southwest though. You need to come in straight and then kind of go to the right, and then we're by some rocks. All right, head south. Bye.
Woo! Look who decided to show up.
And crash.
As we go a little something like this. Hit it!
Oh, oh fuck. Oh. Oh shit!
Oh shit! Yeah, I didn't see that rock. What's up, dude? Oh
I was
shit!
gonna jump out and scare you.
Fuck!
Too hungover. Calling it quits on the ride. Alright, one squid. Gone like the wind. He couldn't hang anymore. Too hungover. We're gonna go find something. In here. I've got a stick up my nose right there. Sick in there.
That was so dope, dude.
Yeah.
That was smooth as fuck, too.
It was clean.
For sale.
When you got no kickstand.
Oh yeah.
It's the puppies. All right, what are you drinking?
We got ourselves a juicy little thing
Oh,
for the breakfast.
heavy hitters. Sheesh.
A little flavor.
Oh my God.
Cheers, man.
Cheers. All foam.
Josh, you just missed the fucking nice trail.
That trail
Hope your
was
bed's
sick.
worth it.
And I think there's some more down in there. So after this beer, cheers, we're going that way. So cut to that now.
miss it.
Thank you guys so much for watching the video this long. Let us know in the comments which one of them views looked better. Faye doesn't seem to believe us that the 4K views are better than 1080p. Maybe he needs to hear from you guys that his view is a little rough around the edges compared to how crisp our 4K view looks. We aren't any expert, that's for sure. We're learning as we go. If there's something else you guys think we should change in our videos or do differently or add, please leave us a comment. Let us know what you think would look cooler, make it more entertaining, anything like that. Again, you're rad watching it all the way through. Hopefully you can go ride today, if not sometime soon. Hit us up on Instagram if you want to get in touch with us, maybe go ride. Subscribe, like, if I didn't already say that. We're going to try to drop another video this week. Thanks so much. Later.
That's some sloppy ass mud.
The end to a short little rip.
Little champagne showers.
Yeah, everybody's a little hungover.
Cheers, man.
So we're calling it quits already. Until next time. Cheers.
Peace.